Special guest to react to this, to my editorial that is, Bruce Linton, CEO of Canopy Growth, which I'm told is the largest legal marijuana grower on the planet. That's you.
That is true.
Okay, tell me about these hearings today in Washington.
Right.
Do you want, it's about CBD.
Right.
That's the hearing.
Yeah.
Do you want regulation?
Yeah, we, more than anybody, want regulation, because what happens in the absence of regulation is consumers don't know what they're getting. They don't know what they're not getting. Is this adulterated with chemicals? Is the dosage as described? And so when there's no regulation, that's when the sketchy players prosper, and we want regulation.
But is there any actual proof that CBD is an anti-inflammatory or a mild pain reliever? Is there proof of this?
Well, there's a pharmaceutical company which took the molecule and put it through trials to show that it has efficacy against if you want to call it seizures. And so that's a specific study, and it got approved to be a product in the U.S. But what I think you'll find is that there's so much anecdotal. What we were doing with Canopy is actually running the trials now. So does this diminish anxiety in a canine is a good question to answer. And then you would need to know, what dose do you need to give? How frequently do you need to give it? And so those are the sorts of things that, because it's federally legal in Canada, in Germany, we can run those trials.
Okay, you can do that because it's federally legal in those places.
And so you can actually pull all the ingredients together, put them into, and we're running sleep trials right now. So if you were in Canada and you had what's called primary insomnia, you can't stay asleep. We're running a sleep trial where we're putting people in a double-blind, FDA thoughtful study to see which combinations of ingredients cause you to stay asleep so you can actually be sharp at work the next day.
Oh, okay.
That kind of stuff, I think, will move the needle on why you want it regulated. Because when you ignore it and don't regulate it, you know who really likes that? Criminals.
Yeah.
That is the best practice if you really like criminals.
I just want to put this up on the screen. We got a map. 34 states have pot available for sale in one form or another. 10 of those states, and I think that's plus D.C., fully legal recreationally. You think the tide is turning sharply towards mass legalization in America?
Well, yes, to an extent. So we did a deal with a company called Acreage, which operates in 20 of those states. And the deal we did is when it becomes federally permissible, because I'm not sure that the federal government is going to say that it is a recreational platform, everybody can have it. I could see them saying, on a medical basis, we're going to regulate it and put it through the FDA trials. That may be less unappealing to people, but, if you're a federal politician, I think your goal is to remain a federal politician. And so if you say everybody, it's a party, I'm not sure that will go as well as saying states' rights, let each state govern it, and so I think that is very soon.
Is the THC content of the marijuana that you're growing today much, much higher than the THC content of marijuana in the 60s and 70s?
So we grow a whole variety, some of which are very strong, but the highest one, you can get to...
Your critics say it's much, much stronger today, addles your brain today like it didn't 40 years ago.
Well, we even go so far as to say, guys, why is anybody smoking it? It's an objectionable smell to many people, and it's not a great idea. And what they're doing when they smoke it is just activating it. There's so many better ways which you can activate it and regulate it down, but we do have some which is extremely strong compared to that time, and then it goes stepping all the way down. And so what happens is if you buy it in the illicit market, sometimes it may be extremely strong and you don't know what you're getting. Sometimes the supply chain may cause it to be adulterated with other activations, could be fentanyl. And so these are the sorts of things where if you don't regulate it, how strong it is a big question.
You're going mainstream, though. I think, aren't you doing a keynote speech with Martha Stewart?
Yeah, there's a big Congress on the east coast of Canada in a couple of weeks. And what's happening is people want to understand who can they trust, what brands are coming through, and what's it going to do for them. And so Martha's quite interested in how can we help animals, and how can we use CBD to help animals.
Just a few short years ago,
You weren't having me on your show, I'm pretty sure.
I couldn't. You're the largest marijuana legal grower in the world.
Yeah, it's
really something.
It's a big change.
How many tons a year?
Well, if you think about that, it's a little more than 500,000 kilograms. So that's kind of our potential of our platform just in Canada.
How many tons is that?
Well, so that's just drop a zero. You get to sort of 50,000 tons.
50,000 tons?
Yeah. But
all yours?
Well, that's our potential, yeah.
Okay. Glad we met you. Bruce Linton, Canopy Growth. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks very much.